This demonstrates a very simple example how the NFC-Smart can be used as fixed infrastructure, for example during events, festivals, clubbings, etc. In this simple game, the mission of the user is to fill up exactly the empty tank on the right tablet with a virtual amount of liquid which can be loaded to the can on the left tablet. It's important to notice that these two tablets do not have any established communication link. They are completely independent from each other, meaning in practice that they can be positioned arbitrarily far away from each other. And to start the game, the user just has to put the opened can to the fill-up station below the left tablet. Then he or she can enter user data and email address. I will skip this now here for time reasons. And now it's the task to select an appropriate amount of charge for filling up the can, so to exactly meet the amount of liquid required to fill the tank on the right tablet. So, by pushing the fill into my can, the selected amount of liquid is now virtually loaded to my can, and the user can now move to the right tablet, just again putting the can into the reading station, and now the can is virtually pumped into this empty tank. And by this animation, the user score is shown immediately on the tablet, and of course it's also stored to the transponder contained inside the can. Of course, the data can also be recorded by the tablet, but it's also possible to solely use the can as the data storage for user ID data and the score. And in another case, of course, it makes sense to prompt the user after the game to insert his or her can into an associated collecting pin where the data on the can can be read out automatically.